Hello students, welcome to Short Access classes. So today we'll be starting with Hotel Management 2016 questions and we'll be focusing on the aptitude part. And for more information you can visit our website www.shortaccessclasses.com, and also you can call us or WhatsApp us in this 9836793076 number. So let's get started. So here we have a question. When you are having a walk along the seashore, you notice a man drowning and shouting for help. So if you see a man drowning and shouting for help, what will you do? What will be your reaction? So here we have four options. Option A is draw the attention of others and keep on walking. Option B is not like to get involved and continue your walk. And these two options are obviously not applicable, and we should help the man according to me. Option C is go into the water to help him as you know swimming. And option D is raise an alarm and request some other swimmers to help him. So as if you know swimming, then I think option C will be the right answer for this question. So option C I'm ticking. So option C is go into the water and help him as you know swimming. So here I'm going to the next question. So next question is, while walking on the road, you find an envelope which contains an Aadhaar card. You will. So after finding Aadhaar card is for nowadays, it's a really important documents than all the above, because if you don't have voter card, if you don't have anything else, but if you have Aadhaar card, it actually connects to all your other ID cards, even to your phone number. So it's really important. So I think you should react very logically, practically, and you should help the person who has lost the Aadhaar card. So let's see the options that we have already provided here. Option A is leave the envelope there only and move on. So option A is not applicable. Option B is post the Aadhaar card to the address of its owner. This one is really easy and also really helpful. Let's see the other two options. Give the envelope to your friend and ask him to deal with it. Well, you are giving it to your friend and you don't know how he or she gonna do this. So it's better not to give someone the responsibility that you may have the courage to do. So option C is also putting across there. Curse the owner of the card and call him extremely careless. Obviously someone shouldn't have this by intention. So option D is not correct. Option B is really helpful, and I think we should go with the option B, because the option was post the Aadhaar card, as it already contained the address of the card holder. So we should post the Aadhaar card to the address that already mentioned there. So option B is the answer. So subscribe to our channel for more lectures like this. There will be more question answer solving questions and videos. If you like the video, press the thumbs up button, and also you can share it with your friends. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any query, you can comment us in the below section.